Technology has fundamentally changed the way that farmers go about their daily business. However, some things have remained the same. If we look through and think about what some of these technologies have allowed farmers to do, it's quite astounding. The latest technology, for example, is GPS, where farmers quite literally put coordinates into their harvesters and allow the harvester to drive itself and turn around and perfectly create the crops and harvest the crops. Incredible stuff. On top of that, they also have this technology where they use drones to work out where their soil is its most fertile. And then they can actually put that technology, that data, into those GPS harvesters and sow the fields as efficiently as possible. However, that's really high-end stuff. Farming generally has changed because of mechanisation and because of supply and demand. For example, a lot of the farming technology of old simply is too slow, and the economies of scale are too small for farmers to farm the way they used to. And so they've had to change in order to survive. So it hasn't just been this is brilliant for us, let's farm this way and therefore it's going to be great. It's we need to farm this way, otherwise we can't keep up. But thinking about economies of scale, I was talking to the farmer who owns this property, and he was saying that it used to take just 30 cows for a farmer to live on 160 acres and feed his family. And now, because of industrialization, because of producing more milk and milk prices being obviously lower than they previously were, you need 300. So that's a huge difference in what's occurred in just the past little while in dairy farming in this region.